I'm already gone. Just let me lay out in your sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive. I wanna stay lost in your paradise. Don't wanna be found. You've got me floating now.
Baby, 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 from the day I saw you, I really, really wanted to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you. There's not a lot of guys are worth my time. Oh, baby, 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 it's getting kind of crazy. You are taking over my mind, and it feels like.
So I'm gonna start out using the Maybelline concealer to prime my eyelids.
You don't know my name, I swear.
And then just gonna blend it out with my finger because actually 10 white boys flip flops, manicures and pedicures and waist TikTok. And stop because I'm icy, wifey. Haters wanna fight me. I never know what I'm paint up on a white tee. So I'm gonna be using the classic. I'm gonna be taking this color, the yellow one, the only yellow one, which I don't understand. Anyways, just gonna be putting that into my crease as the transition color.
It feels like you don't know my name. Will you ever know?
The Real Guard and the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just gonna put it under the yellow. So right here.
Baby, 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 I see us on our first date. You're doing everything that makes me smile. And when we had our first kiss, it happened on a Thursday.
I'm going to be taking Love Letter in the Modern Renaissance palette, and then I'm going to be putting that under the orange shade. So
Oh, set my soul on fire. Oh, baby, 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 I can't wait for the first time. My imagination's running wild. Feels like you don't know my name, and I swear it, baby. Feels like
maybe I'll take this one first and putting that kind of on my lid. I'm just going to be putting that on my finger.
you don't know my name. Will you ever know? I'm saying, he don't even know what he's doing to me. I'm feeling all crazy inside.
This shade.
I'm doing more than I've ever done for anyone's attention. Take notice of what's in front of you, cause did I mention you about to miss a good thing? And you'll never know how good it feels to have all of my affection. And you'll never get a chance to experience my loving, cause my love.
I'm going to go over color.
You don't know my name, and I swear it feels like you don't know my name.
I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild brush and the purple under that. So this one, and then just gonna put that near my lash line.
Will you ever know it? No, 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 no. Will you ever know it?
Yeah. And then I'm just gonna blend those colors on the top. Okay, so the lashes I'm going to be using is the Ardel Wispies. My like face routine is basically the same as my last video, so just probably not going to say everything, but I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus primer because I am broke. Since, you know, everybody's been asking me, I'm gonna go wet my sponge because, yeah. I'm so sorry. I'm a bad person, but I can not seem to find where the other clips have gone. And so, yeah. Enjoy the show. So I'm going to be using this brush and we're using the middle shade. This one. Actually, you know what? I'm going to keep on talking because I'm sure a lot of people like to hear me talk. And when I edit, I like to edit fast. Like cut short and put what is necessary. You know, it's just a bad thing. So anyways, I'm going to be taking some more of the airspun powder in this brush, not brush, sponge, and cutting that. Okay, sorry if the camera moved slightly or a lot. The battery ran out and my memory ran out, so I had to do something. So I think I just added some blush. And I'm finna just do the under eyes. So I'm gonna take this, the M506 brush from Morphe, and I'm gonna take the yellow shade. Basically all the colors that I use, I'm just gonna put it under my eye. Sorry if you can hear my dog in the background. Look at a beautiful roar. So I'm just gonna be adding that to the bottom of my eye. I'm going to be taking a shader brush, I think that's what it's called. Freaking know. And then I'm going to take the Modern Renaissance palette and taking Real whatever, and just kind of placing that on top, but not as loosely as the yellow shade. Okay. Then I'm going to be taking Love Letter. And just cute. Okay, that's good. Oh my god. That is good. And friggin' balls. So I'm going to be taking this brush and the marshmallow shade out over there. It's like the yellowy golden. And adding that above. Sorry for the change in background and light and whatnot and the camera quality. But things happened and my camera decides to run out of battery and doesn't have any memory. And I don't feel like waiting a long while to charge it. But this is a look that I, oh my god, this is a look that I created, you know, pretty, yeah, you know. Let's hope that I actually upload next week. Probably not